Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to UBA Internet Banking Nigeria. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in UBA Nigeria login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying UBA Internet Banking, after which you can zoom in if you're in a mobile browser, in which case you'll have to enter a user ID and then hit login to log into your account. If you have not registered online yet, tap on Instant Self-Registration. Here you'll have to select the user type, in which you can select retail and corporate. After you select the user type, hit continue, and then you'll have to enter your account number, your card details, hit continue again, after which you may have to enter your personal details, and then create your account. After creating your account, you can head back over to the login page and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.